Hello. Today, I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you. Wow, UCOCare. It's UCOCARE. Dashcam. Wow, for your car. This is the UCOCare 4G LTE dual dashcam with parking surveillance. 24/7. Recording is possible. It comes with a SIM card. This SIM card you can use to get this 24/7 surveillance system enabled, and of course, where your car is, you can track it. 64GB SD card included. Remote live view car security camera system with two-way audio, motion detection, and alert. GPS, cloud, and SD storage. Wow, all in, as you can see. Around the clock, 4G LTE remote monitoring, full control at any time. Experience the real 4G connectivity. The UCOCare dashcam enables live video, vehicle status, and control via the app without WLAN. On the road, in the office, or at home, we keep an eye on our car at all times and react immediately if it is necessary. Immediately burglary and accident warning. The conventional dashcams cannot notify us if our car is damaged or manipulated. The 4G dashcam here, for the front rear, with the AI detection, sends real-time warning in case of a collision, scratches, or suspicious movement. We open the app immediately. We watch the live videos and scare away intruders with two-way communication. Wow. And around-the-clock smart monitoring and driving and parking, all included. We go beyond conventional dashcams that only occur while driving. This 4G dashcam with a parking monitor protects our car day and night, continuously monitors it in the parked state, and stores important recordings in the event of an accident or damage. Reliable evidence at hand all time. And where the energy comes from? OBD2. That means you can connect it to your OBD2 port, and this gives us energy 24/7. You can install it underneath the cover of your car after the installation is done. Oh yeah, you're ready for it. And ultra clear front and interior view here, equipped with a 2K front camera and a 1080p interior camera and a 170 degrees wide angle. It captures every detail inside and outside the vehicle. That's either for driving services, family safety, or as a clear accident proof, day and night. And the integrated GPS. It'll always know where a car is. No more worries about parking in remote or crowded areas. Thanks to the integrated GPS, we can see the exact location of our car at any time. If it is moved or stolen, the GPS tracking, gives us a clear evidence, which helps us to react quickly and quickly find our car. That's all possible with this SIM. You can install the SIM card which is included, or your own 4G SIM card. The car surveillance camera is delivered with a pre-installed SIM card and a 7 days of test status. After that, we can flexibly choose status package of use our own 4G SIM for reliable connectivities and full cost control. And it supports up to 128GB of backup for double data security on the SD card. And if you like cloud services, the 4G LTE security camera is reliable, stores the imported videos on the pre-installed SD card with 64GB and supports the memory cards up to 128. In addition, videos can be automatically backed up to the cloud, so our videos remains protected even in the event of theft or damage. We can hear the internal microphone of our dash cam, and this sound level is acceptable, really acceptable for making good sound and video consumption as well. Really nice, isn't it? Yes, of course. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me. Give me a positive feedback and hope to see you again on my channel.